Hi, so we have this pretty girl. She's come all the way from the east of India. So she's had multiple surgeries before she was born, unfortunately, with this cleft lip and palate. अभी तक आपका कितना ऑपरेशन हुआ है?
अभी 5 बार।
So 5 surgeries done till now, 5 ऑपरेशन। और अब आप क्या सही कराना चाहते हैं? दांत, लिप्स और नोज, जैसे कि आपने बताया। तो लिप और नोज हो सकता है एक ही बार, लेकिन दांत साथ में होना काफ़ी मुश्किल पड़ेगा। It's pretty challenging because she's had 5 surgeries before and the scar is really bad on the upper lip. It's thick as well. It's retracted. It's changed the anatomy. So we have to try and give her as much of normal anatomy as possible here with the scar. That's one of the first goals for me. The next even more challenging goal for today is to fix the nose as much as possible on the midline and to give her a symmetry. Now you see this side is totally collapsed. You can see that. That's because of the cleft defect and because of the fact that the earlier reconstructions have not addressed the nasal sill. So we'll have to work everywhere, get the soft tissue cover, lift the base from the pyriform rim or the base of the nose on that side. Apart from that, there's a lot of big septal issue as well. So we'll have to work on the septum. There's no tip support. So we'll have to take care of the tip. The ala is broad and it's asymmetric, and you can see this, and you can see there's also asymmetry here on the nasal bones. So also warrant osteotomy. Plus, if needed, a little bit of augmentation, rib grafting, and all of that. So cleft rhinoplasties are like the toughest there is. And when you're doing a revision cleft rhinoplasty, that's as complex as this. So yes, I've told her she's going to get some 90% or above results, not exactly 100%, because it's really too complex. There's a lot of issues with the bone. She hasn't had bone grafting done before. She's coming from a far-off city. She can't come back and forth for a stepwise procedures. So I'm going to try and do everything I can to make sure her nose looks as better as it can get. Right from pyriform rim augmentation to osteotomies to septal work to as much as we can, including a lip revision. Thank you. तो आज हम ये नेजल स्प्लिंट रिमूव करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, आपका इसके पहले कितना सर्जरी हुआ था जी? 3, 5 इन साइड अंदर। सो 5 सर्जरी हुआ था इनको पहले। हम अभी सिर्फ नोज़ का सर्जरी किए हैं। ये रिविजन राइनोप्लास्टी था और रिविजन क्लेफ्ट राइनोप्लास्टी, which is really hard because of the asymmetries that is there with the cleft. हो गया बेटा, 1 मिनट। Okay. So the nasal splint comes off. Okay, I'm going to Kannadi Guru. हाँ, फिर काट। तो यहाँ पे ऐसी आई थी, तो यू कैन सी द डिविएशन, टिप नहीं था, डिप्रेशन यहाँ पे भी किया है। ये अभी सूजन ज़्यादा है, ठीक है, बिकॉज हमने इतना जगह पे लगाया था, तो यहाँ पे मैंने इसलिए आपको ये दूसरा टेप भी लगाया, याद है ना। तो ये सूजन है, बट अदर देन दैट द नोज इज़ अ नाइस शेप। तो ऊपर से देखेंगे अभी ज़रा ऐसे, आपको और एसिमेट्री के बारे में बता देंगे। ये देखिए, तो अभी इसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है। मैडम, आपको दिखना नहीं है? आओ, सुंदर लग रही है ना? हाँ, पहले से भी सुंदरी थी, बहुत सुंदर लग रही है।
तो ये सब सूजन है, सब
हाँ।
कम जाएगा तो फिर अच्छा और अच्छा हो जाएगा।
हाँ,
आपने बहुत अच्छा कर दिया सर।
धन्यवाद। हाँ, इनको दिखाओ सारा साइड्स। So this is a very sweet patient, and they've come all the way from the east of India, near the city of Kolkata. And yeah, it was really challenging for us too, because the issues were many in terms of the asymmetry. You can see this side was totally collapsed. So I've done work on the pyriform rim, and we've lifted this base, we've done tip works, we've also done rib harvest. आपको दर्द हो रहा है? अभी ये जो रिब निकाला था वहाँ से कुछ दर्द है? नहीं है दर्द। कितना दिन दर्द हो रहा था आपको? 2 दिन दर्द हुआ? ओके। अभी ये निकालेंगे, ये सब स्टिचेस निकालेंगे अभी। वो स्टिचेस है बस, इसके ऊपर खून जो है वो काला कलर हुआ है, कुछ नहीं रहेगा काला कलर,
साफ हो जाएगा।
पूरा साफ हो जाएगा एकदम।
अभी स्टिचेस कहाँ पर है स्टिचेस?
यहाँ पे हैं स्टिचेस आपके, यहाँ पे एक स्टिच दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ पे एक स्टिच बहुत छोटे छोटे, और यहाँ पे भी स्टिचेस हैं अंदर। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
you're welcome. Right, so we can, so thank you. So that was a very challenging cleft rhinoplasty. Of all rhinoplasties, cleft rhinoplasties are the most challenging aspects, because of the way the defect is, that involves the bone, the septum, the nasal aspect, the nasal issue, the pyriform rim, everything, and also the alar cartilage is deformed. So multiple things need to be addressed when you're doing a cleft rhinoplasty. And to make matters worse for her, it was also a cleft revision rhinoplasty. Anyways, she's happy with the results, and I think it will look really nice on her after a few more weeks once the swelling comes down. We're planning to do something about her lip as well. They've come from a long way, so we're going to wait for some more time before I can get this scar off a little bit. Not going to be able to get rid of the scar completely, but we're going to improve that a little bit. So one more time, you can see the side views, then you can see the front view. Thank you.